Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna make the Jeep look like me. Big upper body and bottom, not like Nazar where he only works out his upper body, you know? Alright, so we got our tires and our rims in. Let's check out the rims. Tim, Blade.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah. Check these out. Yeah, and then we also got the 37s tires. Yeah. What we want to do in today's video is take these to the shop later on, put them together, put them on the car. Yeah, we're gonna put together all the radiators, assemble everything, and right now we're about to go to the shop and put these wheels on those rims. You know what? Before we go to the tire shop, let's pop these doors off, see how it looks. Takes too long by hand. So right now, guys, we're about to just get the airbags out of the way. Might as well pull them out. We did order them. They're coming for a while already. So yeah, let's go. Success. Alright guys, now that the doors are off, we could go get the wheels done. So we only work nights on our cars when we were building them because Fonzie got work. It's the whole day he's out at another job in San Francisco. The hustle is really hard. You gotta do I'm working on my own personal cars. He's working on his personal cars. But for the rebuild cars, we only work nights. My brother actually has a alignment shop, and he's gonna do the tires for us, balance, put them on the rims. So yeah. We're releasing the air from the old tires because we got to take out the little tire sensors and put them into the new tires. Look at how they look. It's amazing.
This thing is going to be sick.
We're building a monster truck.
Yeah.
Guys, check out this Jeep on these 37s, man. It was a good choice. And these rims, this just looks good. Our next step is actually to get everything painted and then wrap it in this beautiful color, which we're about to show you guys right now. Check this out.
Oh look, it came with a little sample book. We haven't actually used this brand before. We used Avery and we use 3M. We have never used this brand, but the thing is, this is the only brand that had it in this color. So we're gonna try it out. We don't know how it's gonna work, but we'll see. We'll see how it works.
Check this out. Made in Italy.
Made in Italy.
Yeah.
We get everything from Italy. The Lamborghini parts, the vinyl wrap.
But check out this color though. Oh yeah.
Fonzie matches you.
We are actually gonna wrap it ourselves. We still do. We wrap cars, sort of a side hustle. But check this out.
This thing is gonna look sick on the Jeep.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for tonight. It's getting pretty late, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow. What is up guys? Welcome back to day 3 of the Jeep build. Today we're gonna be focused on putting in the radiators and the fan into the Jeep. We're gonna make it run and drive. It is run and drive right now, but we're gonna make it run and drive for a little bit longer. So yeah, let's get to it. So it doesn't fit, so we're probably gonna have to loosen up the support. These 4 bolts, just to pull it back a little bit, drop it inside, and then we should be good.
Alright guys, this radiator is a little bit bent, but we're just gonna wait for the new one to come in. It's not leaking. There's no problem with it. It's just bent. That's the only thing. So for now, we're just gonna install it and complete the front.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are numbers, standing in this going louder, we are all one color.
Alright guys, we finally got the radiators on. Everything's screwed on, all the radiators. The coolant's in. We flushed the coolant, everything. But we just threw on the body parts for now just to see how the Jeep is actually gonna look. So check it out. Looks amazing. Guys, look how good the paint matched up. We did do a blend on the fenders, both front fenders. Right here, we did not do a blend, but it just matched up so nice. Our next step actually is to wrap the whole car. So stay tuned. And this is gonna be it for today. So please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.